All right, so you're confused about how to set your science notebook up, right? First page is not, I don't think I have in the slides labeled on here. It should be your table of contents. Your table of contents is just telling you what goes on each page. So when you scroll through, you can fill that in just with some common sense. So this is a picture of my table of contents. I don't know how well you can see that because it's a small image, but if you're really, really confused about that, you can try and get someone to text me and I can text a picture. The next thing though, when you have definitions like what you see on the screen, properties, something that can be observed about a substance such as its color, smell, or boiling point, you're going to create a page just for that word. Remember, you're going to create 4 sections. In one section, you have the definition. In the other section, you have the word and a picture that helps you remember that word. I'll try to make this a little bigger. And then in the bottom 2 sections, you're going to have examples and non-examples of that word. So for mine, I forget what I put. For properties, I drew some different substances, things that I put a thermometer there to represent boiling point. I wrote down the definition, which you have directly on the slides. So I wrote that down. My examples were that it's an odorless liquid and it boils at whatever the temperature is, yellow solid. Those are all examples of properties. I'm just making those up for different substances. Non-examples, I said things that were more generic or more like subjective, I guess you would say. Things like fuzzy, weird, strange. Those aren't really very good description of properties. Those are kind of just opinion-based observations. So that's what you're doing for each definition. You'll come down to the key concepts and you'll have several key concepts on one page. You'll notice like, I forget, there's probably 3 or 4 key concepts that go on your page 2 of your chemical reaction science notebook. So that's how you set it up. If you need any help, always reach out.